And Chris has a question for us.
Mm-hmm.
He says, how much preload on a 602 valve, and what's the best timing on a timing? Is it 34?
So yeah, 602s, I always recommend 3/4 of a turn preload as far as like adjusting the valves. So from 0, you'll go 3/4 of a turn. Normally we'll back up about 1/8 on that, tighten the center adjuster, come back up, and that tightens it down. So you actually had a question last week that somebody asked what the torque was, and I'm sure somewhere there's a torque number, but no, it's by feel basically.
Well, and we actually do have a video on that. It's one of our very first videos we ever came out with back in 2015. But
yeah, 3/4 of a turn preload.
Mm-hmm. And
and that's the same on a 604 as well.
Right. And of course we show that with a 604. I think we call it how to set valve lash, or how to adjust springs, something like that. And we've got a visual for it.
And as far as timing goes, I mean, it's going to be fuel variant, but 34 degrees is always safe no matter what fuel you're using. And do not go above that unless you have access to like a engine dyno or a chassis dyno.
Yeah, you don't want to get
it's just always safe. So I mean, you can go 34 degrees all day long.
Yeah.